Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix World of Tanks Blitz game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop, black screen, fat error or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that you have to click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, you should run Steam as administrator. So first of all, you have to click on Steam option and then click on exit. After doing this, go to the search option. Here you have to search for Steam, and here you can see run as administrator. Simply click on it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this doesn't resolve the problem, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, here you have to select the game. After selecting the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen automations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, click on the arrow again and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Wait for some time and after verifying the game files, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties and under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the settings, open settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates. So this will check if there is an update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and then the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it, and here you will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and once you get setup successful message over here, close this. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play the game or the game is launching. Method is to check if the game is installed on SSD or not. So for that, you can go to Steam, click on settings, now click on storage, and here you'll find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if your game is installed on another drive, then you have to simply select the game, and after that click on move option and move the game to SSD. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. Is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So for that, you have to first hold the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After that, close this, go to the Windows Defender firewall, select turn Windows Defender firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender firewall in both private and public network settings. After that, click on OK, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But later on, again come back, make sure to select turn on Windows Defender firewall in both private and public network settings, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, and again reinstall World of Tanks Blitz game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix World of Tanks Blitz game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, fatal error, stuck on black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.